All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018. That's right, folks, it's a 2018 Infiniti Q60. It's this beautiful two-door coupe, all-wheel drive with alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, sunroof, leather seats, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Is your front driver's rim very nice? Do I see some curbing? No, let's keep it moving. Tire thread here is over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This rear quarter looks pretty good. And here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Do I see some curbing? No, I do not. Let's check it out. Tire thread. It's just under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. It's a low car. I'm not sure if I'm there. No, it's over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. So, of course, here's a nice shot of your sunroof. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. Look how beautiful that is. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise, on your on the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. We jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Push start system. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got other stuff down here. AC controls and stuff like that. Alright. Got your display so you can manage this up here. Very nice. Alright. You got steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for need some gas. And your mileage of 10,775. Looks good. Keep it moving. Make sure the lights are on. Open up the trunk. Bose sound system. Very nice. Coming around, your rear bumper looks great. Your rear deck lid looks good. It's your trunk space. Very big and spacious for a two-door coupe. It's got some tools, and then of course I tucked away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Does have some curbing. I say 10 or more to engulf it all. The tire thread. It's over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. On your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Looks good. Front door looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing here, and some here. I'll say 10 or more to engulf it all. And let's check out your tire thread, which is over 730 seconds. Fog lights are working. Car is running. Folks, things are beautiful. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is 2018 Infiniti Q60 all-wheel drive with 10,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.